Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by installing OneNote and granting files and notification permissions so notes can store and sync. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Once done, OneNote links to OneDrive for automatic backup. Create a new notebook and pick a clear name and location. Choose OneDrive to keep versions and access across devices. Make sure to allow camera and microphone access if you'll capture photos or record audio, and confirm sync status in the upper right corner before proceeding. You now create structure by adding sections and pages. Drag and drop to rearrange so similar topics live together. Use tags like to do, important, and question for quick filtering, and apply headings and highlights to guide scanning. Insert images, PDF, audio clips, or files, and annotate with Apple Pencil or trackpad. Once done, use the lasso and ink to text to convert handwriting. Make sure to use keyboard shortcuts and search. Type a term in the search bar to jump across notebooks instantly. You finish by organizing and cleaning up. Merge short pages, archive older notebooks, and pin frequently used pages. Share a notebook via OneDrive link or invite collaborators, setting edit or read-only permissions. Once shared, track changes via page history. Export important notes to PDF or a OneNote package for backup. If sync fails, first make sure you're online and signed in, then force a manual sync and restart OneNote. If that fails, sign out and back in to refresh authentication and storage links.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.